Meaning of 15.
15.
15.
15.
15. 15 is a cardinal number that represents the quantity of 15. It is a positive integer located between 14 and 16 in the number line. This numeral system is commonly used for counting, measuring, labeling, and ordering objects or events. For example, 15 can refer to the age of a teenager, the number of minutes it takes to cook instant noodles, the number of days in half a lunar cycle, or the number of players in a football team. In short, 15 is a simple yet important concept in mathematics and everyday life.